Sige, what brings you here, man?
I am interested for applying as a sous chef, sir.
Social. So can you tell me about yourself?
Uh, I am a well-seasoned veteran, and I am really interested to help you grow and contribute to the team.
What else?
Uh, I am really confident that I can prosper in this establishment and bring forth good revenue and ex- skills.
Okay, since you're applying for a sous chef, regarding your experiences, there are a lot of sections in the kitchen. So, um, what makes you more? If I will hire you, what makes you more interesting than the others?
Well, I have a sense of uniqueness and creativity, so I can I can provide amusement and good work good work ethic.
So, can you specify what you are talking about?
So I have this unique style of presentation and good camaraderie. So I can work and at the same time provide comfort and happiness to my fellow workmates.
How can you cope up stress if in case that the kitchen is busy?
So I put my work first. So if stress comes to my way, I will just treat it as my job to overcome it.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have?
Uh, I only have one sister.
One sister. What is the work of your parents?
Uh, my father is in the construction business, and my mother is a housewife.
So if there are no available slots for kitchen, I think there is a possibility that I can assign you with different areas. Do you still want to pursue
Uh, I
working
am
here at the establishment?
I am happy for the opportunity, but I think I am not fitted to other other position that is not related to my job. But I am flexible and willing to learn.
Okay. So I think you're not only good at in the kitchen, but if I will assign you in the housekeeping, would you accept the offer?
Uh, it seems possible. Yes, I may think about it.
Okay. So what are your expectations regarding salary?
Well, as a seasoned veteran, I think highly of myself. So around, let's say, 100K per month.
Okay. Okay. What else um, would you like to ask me?
Uh, are you willing to accept what I am offering, sir?
Offering?
Yes. Me as an individual with my skill set.
So it so happens that we are hiring um, Komi or kitchen steward in our establishment, since we do not only offer for restaurants but we also have hotels. So we have also accommodations in our establishment. I think you are fit for this job, and yeah, I would like to really know yourself in terms of how you work in the kitchen, aside from um, generalizing it. But in terms of, yes, you say that you are specialized, you have an experience in butchery and seafood. How about if I assign you in the cold kitchen, just like more on the pastries, on the desserts? Would you accept that offer?
I am I am interested, sir, that you have a lot to give. So I am, as I said, I am willing to learn and I am flexible. So I think I can manage.
Okay. Okay. Okay, anyways. Siki, let's go with the feedbacking. So, Von, how are you, man?
So,
Can I ask Ma'am Babette, Ma'am, kanang regarding their practical kanibang rubric, are they going to pass this one sa imuhan, no? Like, after their, okay, sige. So, Von, ako lang is, let's have the feedbacking, and can you give me a copy of this one? Could you can just
wait,
a
Xerox?
Xerox photocopy,
Photocopy. Oh.
and then you'll submit to me later on.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sige. Anyways, let's go with the feedbacking so that you may understand how job interview works.
Okay,
No?
sir.
So I already told you yesterday that um, regarding interviews, you have to be early,
Yes, sir.
30 minutes
Yes,
or
sir.
an hour of
Yes, sir.
your interview. So what time man kani?
Kanina ko answer. 7:55.
7:55. All right. So 8 man to akong gikuan sa
Yes,
imong
sir.
ano, 8 a.m. Sige. Let's go with your grooming. I think casual. You are wearing um, long sleeve, and then in terms of the way you dress, I think I would probably like suggest that when you apply for a job, yeah, okay man siya, okay man tanawon, pero murag for me that you're still not part of the company, so I think you have to be really formal in your,
Okay, sir.
let's just say you told me yesterday that you're going to wear long sleeve. Okay, that's good, but I think much more formal is that you will have your white
Okay, sir.
long sleeve and then black slacks, and then um, same, yeah, with
No.
your corporate. No? Okay,
Okay, sir.
that's what I want to see from the applicants. No?
Okay, sir.
Very clean and neat. Dili pa kay murag feel nimo nga nag-work na ka in the industry and then you're wearing the
Mm,
really uh,
vibrant.
vibrant and kana ganing murag naka sa party.
Okay, sir.
So I think mao na siya ang imuhang kinahanglan mahibaw-an, no? And you're very respectful man. I think one thing when you have to approach me and then you ask something that you may be seated or whatever you will ask, you have to really have the eye contact.
Okay, sir.
No? Kaya ganun lang, kaya nagkana lang ka niya. You just have to, ano na, kaya mo rin na, wow, kakausahan na ko ba?
Wala, sir.
Okay. Kaya mo rin confident na ka in terms of the way you handle, no? Or
Ako rin
ang process
subay
yun.
ko asa na dapit sir ba?
Yes, yes. And then, ano na siya, I think your hygiene, you look good, pero I don't want, for me lang, ha,
Okay,
if
sir.
I will be the manager, the HR manager, and then you're wearing something out of like very intimidating, in ana, so marag, di jud ka madawat.
Okay, sir.
Nga na, no?
Okay,
Pero the tone of your voice, I think murag nahadlok ko kay murag usog bro makaayo si Von. Murag I think you memorized your lines.
sir, freestyle na to on the spot.
Freestyle na to nimo.
Yes, sir.
Like there is a process wherein murag I need to have some answers to direct to the point. Where kay mo to ko kaya kanya specify kanya di ba kay once I will tell you or I will ask you about yourself, I will not ask any more questions. You have to provide me the information regarding yourself, okay? Imong gibaligya imong kaugalingon. Unsaon man ka para madawat ka.
Yes, sir.
Kana siya, no? Your cover letter and resume, I think murag you need to have a specific na yes, naa kay mga certain mga skills nga imong gipangbutang. But the format of your application letter is ano kay no, and then social. You just have to tell nga naman kay you have already indicate your position. Do not make some kuan na ba.
Okay, sir.
So kana sing imo pa jud isuwat ang name, pero pwede ra gyud na siya. And yeah, usually application letters or submissions will be addressed by the manager or the HR. So kana siya. And yeah, very modernistic kaayo imuhang kuan, imuhang CVs and your application, but I would like to see the face, no? Pero sa kuan kay ka, unsa man nga picture
Pang ID.
sa ID?
Oh,
Hadlok man kay ka tan-aw nga restrict mo kay ka mo nag-passport. You better change your picture.
Okay, sir. Sige,
Pohon ha kay
Yes, sir.
you're not having in an immersion sad or practical. So I think what you can improve with your picture is kanang naka-smile ka.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Kung pag smile man jud ka pero kani sa imong picture ba kay I think mahadlok ang HR ni mo may mga ay mo hadlok man ni siya tan-aw, so di na nila ako daw
Sige,
sa
sir.
ana, no?
Thank you, sir.
And yeah, dagko ra kayo kag fonts. I think limpyo pa nimo siya, mahanay pa nimo siya. You just need to just make necessary spaces kay tugol kayo imong kuan. Okay ra ni if ever you're going to apply for like ako ha certainly if I will check mga CVs like kung mga apply ka og kanang position wherein it's not in a managerial or mga 5-star or mga kuan na lang sa mga kana lang mga MSMEs or mga businesses, so pwede ra gyud siya. But I think one thing nga akong nakita sa imuha is imuhang course Bachelor of Hospitality Management.
What?
So Bachelor of Science
Science, yay.
in Hospitality
Yes, sir.
Management. No?
Sipyat.
So let's just say if you're going to put a language in your resume, then there are times that some HR will say that okay, Japanese, so can you give me a phrase, or can you tell me about yourself in Nihongo, o mga baya na sad po ng imong kinahanglan i-careful. So if there are expertise that you put in your resume to murag tagaan ka questions wherein, yeah, you will give an example how you are being a leader
Mm.
and you are very creative in a culinary setup, no? So na yung mga yung ana. That is why I was asking you about the um, how would you cope up stress kay busy biya kayo ang kitchen.
Yes,
No? So yung ana. So usually kitchen experience na anin mo, pero kanang kani siya ka ng mga complete details regarding the location where you have experience working in the kitchen, no? So yung ana. So mingon ta professional culinary background niya, naara di ka sa canteen or sa market. So ubsi-ubsi imuhang kuan, imuhang, or you just have to um, change some of the sentences kay kung yung culinary background yun, naaram day ka sa canteen di ay, or naaraman ka sa balbakuwa, sa may naa. So, pwede ragid ka ng kitchen, no? Kitchen experience, you're in a food production. Okay na ni siya, pero kaning mo rin ka culinary background mo, I think, kaduha-duhaan ni kay Dadas Balbakuwa ra ba. So, have you experienced working in Dadas?
No, tinood na.
And this one as well.
Part time.
Oh, so
Pero ang year ako
you have to specify kung when or asa ang location ani. Like you have to specify kung nag part-time ba ka ani or
okay, sir.
nag full-time ka ani.
Yes, sir.
So ingan na mga cases, no? And yeah, nagbutang ka nga Rebe, I need to hear some of your information. Like, unsa man gyud si Von. Kay ganina mo you're saying all the things that you are saying is naangari sa resume, but I want more about yourself. Kay kung you will be shy in terms of the information, dili ta ka i-hire kay wala man kaning tugan sa tinuod. So na yung mga ingana nga mga cases, no? You always smile, Von. Oh, practice that smile. I know that malagad ka, no? In based on my observation at the corridors, but a certain smile can also impact others man. So kana siya kay murag kung i-memorize, kung ano yung i-memorize, then you have to like kanang kuan lang, kalma lang ka ba. Kaya ganina kusog kay imo tingog. Yes, that's a good thing, pero murag ang imong driven ba kay murag gusto jud ka mga apply ingana, pero murag nasuko man or murag ingana ang tone of voice ni, no?
Di siya sir malumanay na.
Dili siya malumanay kay stricta ang HR when it comes to interviews. But good sila, pero they need to have that certain personality for you para na kuan gyud na ako makita kung kitsa gyud ka. My first impression last ba yan? Mo bitan nang I commented about your picture kay first impression man yung ingani imong dagway sa kusina.
Yes, sir.
Then mo sapot gyud ang kuan. Nya kung mudugang pa ka kung i-hire ta kani ani imong number na sa kitchen, wa na maka-problema gihapon ang kitchen kay ingan sa murag sa kupon or whatsoever. So lang na siya. So kindly make some necessary changes in your plan. Although dili pa ka immersion or naka-practicum, but still maagamit yun mo kupon.
Okay, sir.
Or maybe you're going to apply for a part-time. No? So and the non-verbal communication, again, eye contact, smile good ka, yung imong barugan is sakto, but the face you're projecting is kana lagi wala kay panikuan ako sige kung tan-aw nimo.
Okay, sir.
Kana ha. Ayun kadlo kay let's just say this is a mock interview. So,
Ma.
imong tan-aw na sa si Sir Alex.
Pero seryoso gyapon.
Mm.
Oh.
Kanang ayaw na una nga si Sir Alex ko. Una nga, wadyo ko kailan nimo.
Oo, ano.
Mao gyud na siya.
Professional setting yun.
Kana siya.
Yes, sir.
So, I think mao man po na ang inyong na-learn ni Ma'am Babette, di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, I think mao po to see. So, unsa may ako buhaton na ni, I will be the one who will
Ako pa photocopy, sir. Yeah, ako
make
ibalik
the
nimo.
score.
Hindi naman namin yung type-version, di ba naman mga yung
Di na lang ko mga
Di na lang. Okay. Okay,
so,
wow.
ihatag na ninyo sa imong classmates.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Kaning final score, ako pa'y mutalian. Siya. Sige. Sige. But anyways. So, mauna to Von, kay Puhon. Practice that one. Ayaw gid kalimot. Ayaw kalimot mo smile. Ayaw kalimot og tan-aw sa mata sa imong HR kay mo man na lagi. That's how the proper way of doing it. And of course, salamat kaayo kay murag you're the first one who kanang murag pag na ako, uy, may kay ay mo kong pili.
Oh,
Unsa may first thing imong yun na nga kasi nga instructor akong
kuan yun to si Ma'am Lau. Nagpabakasyon man ay
Oo.
nagsambot kami daan. Nag-chat kami. Nag-chat kami ni Ma'am.
lagi ako sad. Ano ni una nga wala pa man mo pa man ako man ang saba.
Wala
Anyway,
kita.
sige, off the record.